wanted to apologize.
For what, Eric?
My name's Fred. Are you cheating on me?
No! Fred, I'm sorry.
No, I can't trust you.
Fred, what did I do?
You cheated on me before.
Yeah, well, you're cheating on me now.
Who? With who?
Janiqua!
We were planning your birthday.
That's what I said.
We were serious.
How can you know?
Think of our future.